When I tell you so many name brand finds at Dollar Tree, so many new items, I'm just here, doing a little styling and profiling and showing you good folks these items. Check this out. Dollar Tree has this amazing find. Check this out. You mind if I deliver? And as words to the mother and the brother. Check this out. Amazing finds at Dollar Tree. We just having fun moving, grooving our feet to the beat. All you would, my sisters and brothers. What cute is this? So these are the swim sacks at Dollar Tree. Honey, you can put your swimsuit in here. Oh, I like this. Honey, you're going to be going to the beach in style. Now, they have this one. They also have another one as well. Check this out. Listen, when life gives you lemons, what you gonna do? Okay, or you gonna cry about it? No, you're gonna chop them. You're gonna squeeze them and make lemonade. That's what the folks say. Check these items out. You're gonna like this. Okay, looky cookie. All right, so first up, I'm so excited to do this video for y'all. Listen, Dollar Tree has the kitchen towels, and when I tell you these are nice, all right, they also have the everyday is a fresh start. Okay, love the colors. Honey, they have glasses, they have pot holders, they have the table mats, they also have the cups, the mugs over here. They also have, okay, I see where they're going with this. Okay, I see, I love this. This is really cute, like this. And then they also have the glass lemon cups like this, really cute, come in yellow and also clear. They also have these containers over here. Let us know in the comment section if you guys gonna come on out to Dollar Tree and buy some of these items and move your darn feet to the beat. Now they also have these pop mints over here shaped as a lemon. They have a pocket in the back of them. Put your fingers in there and hurry up and take that pot out of the oven. Now, Dollar Tree also have these tongs over here. Get into it. The lemon and the lime tongs. Honey, I cannot make this up. This is so fancy, movie groovy. Ooh, yes. And if you guys like Deena, I don't even like yellow. Okay, girlfriends. Okay, I understand. They also have these blue glasses like this. Honey, you would not think this is $1.50. They also have these kitchen towels over here, oven mitts, pot holders, placemats over here, mugs, bowls, saucers, plates, and they also have the charger. Now, honey, you do not eat on the charger. You do not put the food on the charger, okay? You put the plate in here, a saucer in here. You just FYI, because somebody needs to know that. Honey, when I tell you these are absolutely gorgeous, these are so nice. These jars over here, oh, they gorgeous. Absolutely love these. Now, I believe these are $5. These are nice. Yes. Just in case if you missed the first round, Dollar Tree brought these back. These are the Amber Glow Hand Cream Strawberry Bliss. They have, smell amazing to say the least. And then they also have the Sugar Hibiscus. Ooh, $1.25. Nice deal. So if you gorgeous folks are looking for some facial wipes, 25 to be exact, Dollar Tree is out here delivering. Now listen, well, maybe I'm the one that's out here in these streets. Now Dollar Tree has the strawberry rose scented facial wipes. You get 25 for $1.25. Nightmare Before Christmas theme. And they also have lavender. Yes. Now I am a fan of lavender. If you don't like lavender, you need to grow up. Now Dollar Tree also have the cherry blossom. Ooh, you remember Blossom, the TV show with Joey back in the day? Oh my goodness, I used to love that show. Now this is $1.25. Honey, I am going to take it away. Dollar Tree also have this name brand right here. This is called Koki. I think this is how you pronounce it. Nail polish. This is royally blue. Like this for $1.25. Honey, it's giving me Adidas vibes. You know, the top of it. Definitely. They got the elephant on here. Oh, goodness. I get why they say royally blue, okay? Doesn't the elephant means in some cultures prosperity and stuff like that, like the Asian culture? All right, honey, looky, cookie. You gorgeous folks is looking for a blush. Check this out. Honey, I shall not hush. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the liquid blush from LA Colors. This one is called Amore. They also have just a honey, don't get me the lion. Come on with these names, Dollar Tree. Okay, they also have this one. Let's go. Come on now. Come on. What is this? Tomato Girl, I get. Okay. Ooh, this one looks really good. Like this, $1.25. Now, this is a lip oil tinted. And this is a liquid highlighter. All right, love bugs. Remember this? The other day we talked about this and I said, this is giving name brand, you know? When the stuff is in packages like this, well, it actually is. This is from Drew Barrymore. She has a makeup line. This is $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This is called Gloss Crush Lip Serum. The color is magnificent. Absolutely love this. For $1.25, honey, we say that's a steal deal like Holyfield. You mind if I show you something at Dollar Tree? Honey, I'm out here just moving my feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. I tell you, Dollar Tree is delivering out in these streets. Now, if you have sinuses, stuffy nose or something, these are so excellent. The shower vapor tabs. I am so excited and stoked that Dollar Tree had brought these back in. Soothing and refreshing vapors, non-medicated. Love this. Even if you just put this in your bathroom, okay, it's going to have your bathroom smelling good like that. So Dollar Tree has the Princess bath poofs. Oh, yes, nothing but the best. They also have Winnie. Okay, look at Winnie the Pooh. They also have Lilo and Stitch. And then they also have Mickey Mouse. These are $1.25. When I tell you, honey, SpongeBob SquarePants microfiber hair towel, these are cute. And it looks like they're going to be a little longer. These are $1.50, I believe. Look at this. Listen, Linda. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. You know, if you're feeling these vibes. Only if you're feeling the vibes. If you're not, honey, you could just skedaddle. Check this out, though. So Dollar Tree has the Crayola. Look at this cookie. 72 wipes, fragrance free. Like a this cookie. We just out here doing a little looky. Listen, Dollar Tree. I mean, if you haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while, you may want to get here. They have some new items. I just can't make it up. I wouldn't even believe it if I wasn't in Dollar Tree. But since I'm in here, I know this stuff is legit. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the sushi play set. Ooh, yeah, honey. You know what it is? It's the shrimp for me. It's the shrimp for me. 22 pieces. Just pretend and learn, grow, and play. Ages 3 and up. Love that. That's $5. They also have the Stitch Stuffy. Looking a little puffy, all right? These are $7. How cute are these? Tell you something. Dollar Tree has the Play-Doh. Look at this. Look how cute this is. They also have more Play-Doh over here. You remember this? Memory flash. What was this? Simon back in the day? All right. Look at this. Dollar Tree has this. This is $5. They also have the Smashers. Not the passers, the smashers. These are really, really cute. $5. And you know what I love about this? That is like a prize in each one. Like, you don't know what you're going to get. You know, that's the beauty of it. You remember these back in the day? Hi-Ho Cheerio. Cute and letters. Look at this. Honey. cutie cute. Right, so if you guys are looking for some peep socks, look at this Easter thing, really cute. They also have the bluey. They have a Cluey kids socks, really gorgeous. Honey, this blue is the blue for me. $1.50. All right, family. Let me know in the comment section, what are some of the items that you guys are definitely on the lookout for? What are some of the items that you like? Girl, Deena, I can't wait to get up in Dollar Tree. Let us know in the comment section. I started to say so they can have all your money. But anywho, honey, don't act funny. Now, that lip gloss from Drew Barrymore. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. $1.25 from, it's called Flower. Well, the brand is Flower. What else? It has so many items, honey. The Crayola wipes, 72 wipes for $1.25. I mean, that is just like a steal deal, like Holyfield. With that being said, keep growing, keep rocking out. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, hype, and share the video if you like. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.